So in this video, you'll learn how to reset all the settings on your OnePlus 13 without erasing data. So during this reset process, it means any customizations you may have made to your OnePlus 13, whether it was just changing the wallpaper, changing the icon shapes, changing default apps that you have customized, all sorts of things that you normally customize in settings will be erased. So they'll go back to the default settings from when you first purchased the phone. So if you want to go through with this, then you need to start by opening the settings app. And then once you've launched settings, you want to scroll and select system and updates. And then you want to tap on backup and reset. And then you want to select reset phone. Once you've done that, you should see this option, reset all settings. So reset all settings, including network settings. Just tap on it like that and confirm your identity using your lock screen type, whether it's a PIN, password, pattern, or fingerprint or face ID, completely up to your settings. Then once you've done that, you want to tap on reset and confirm again by selecting reset. Bear in mind that this can't be undone. So if you're ready to continue, just tap on reset and wait for your phone settings to be taken back to default. So once your system settings have been taken back to default, you'll now notice that when you navigate through your phone, everything has gone back to the way it was when you first purchased. For example, my system navigation has switched from gestures, which is what I was using previously, to buttons, which means that it's actually gone back to the default settings. You'll also notice that if I go to my display and brightness, and if I look at my screen timeout, it was previously set to 10 minutes, now it's gone down to 30 seconds, which is the default timeout period. So now you can start using your OnePlus 13 with the settings taken back to the default format. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.